Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to see Facebook password. So guys, sometimes we forgot our password. So to find back your password, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to see Facebook password. So let's get started. So guys, to see Facebook password, you have to simply open your Chrome browser. Now in Chrome browser, here you can see the option of Google account. Click on Google account. Now in Google account, you can see the option of manage your Google account. So click on manage your Google account. Now in this option you can see the option of security. Click on it. Scroll down. Now guys, here you can see password manager. Here you can see you have 4 passwords saved in your Google account. Password manager make it easy to sign in into sites and apps you use on any sign in device. So click on it. So to see Facebook password, here you can see the option of facebook.com. So click on it. Now here you have to enter your Google account password. And after that simply click on next. So guys, here you can see we have saved 2 password of Facebook. To see that password, here you can see I button. So click on it. So from here you can see our password. Also check the second one. So again to see password, click on I button. And here you can see our password. So guys, here you can see we have see our Facebook password. So you can also see your Facebook password by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.